Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is math olympiad questions. In this video there are two questions are there. Let's see. The first one is Ella spent 2 by 7 of her salary on clothes, 3 by 10 of her remainder on food, 735 rupees on transport and had 840 rupees left. What fraction of her salary did she spend on transport? Read the question carefully and understand it, what they given, what we have to find it. Let's see how to solve this problem. Let's assume that total salary of Ella equals to x. Ella spent 2x by 7 of her salary on clothes. Remainder 5x by 7. 3 by 10 of 5x by 7 on food. 3 by 10 multiplied by 5x by 7. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. So 3x by 14 on food. Remaining money 7 by 10 of 5x by 7. 7 by 10 multiplied by 5x by 7. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. 7 will get cancelled. So x by 2. 735 rupees on transport and had 840 rupees left. We have to add these two numbers. 735 plus 840 rupees equals to 1575 rupees. Now we are going to find the salary of Ella. X by 2 equals to 1575. X equals to 1575 multiplied by 2 equals to 3150. So x equals to 3150. Her salary is 3150 rupees. Now we can find the fraction of her salary spent on transport. Fraction spent on transport equals to 735 divided by 3150. 5 147 ja 735. 5 630 is 3150. 147 divided by 630. 21 7 ja 147, 21 30 ja 630. So 7 by 30. The fraction of her salary she spent on transport is 7 by 30. For a clear understanding, let's review the full solution again. Take a few seconds to go through the entire video and see how I solve this problem. The second question is, how many friends did Dora bring with her if they paid 570 rupees? Given Dora and her friends ate some burgers. Each friend had one burger and the cost per person was 38 rupees. For every 4 paying persons, one person gets a burger free. Read the question carefully and understand it, what they given, what we have to find it. We have to find how many friends did Dora have. Let's see how to solve this problem. The given total cost equals to 570 rupees. Cost per person is 38 rupees. Since one person gets a burger for free every 4 paying persons. Total number of persons equals to 4x plus 1, where x is an integer here. Total cost equals to number of paying persons multiplied by cost per person. 570 equals to 4x multiplied by 30, because total cost is 570 rupees. 4x equals to 570 divided by 38. 38 1 ja 38, 38 15 ja 570. 4x equals to 15, x equals to 15 by 4. 15 by 4 is 3.75. Since x must be an integer, x equals to 4, round up. Number of paying persons equals to 4x. We know the x value. So 4 multiplied by 4 equals to 16. Total number of persons equals to 4x plus 1. 4 4 ja 16 plus 1 is 71. Dora brought 17 minus 1. 16 here. Because including Dora is 17. So 16 friends are there with Dora. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. If you have any doubts regarding these problems, please ask me in the comment section.